Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card with the Nothing's Better Than stamp set and coordinating dies. These are the featured products in my upcoming Creativity to Go class. For a special price of $82, which includes tax and shipping, you'll receive the stamp set, the dies, and prepared supplies and tutorials to create 5 adorable cards starring our favorite treats: chocolate, cookies, cocktails, and coffee. You can also choose to participate in a Zoom class where we'll assemble the cards together. Be sure to subscribe by January 10th to join the fun. I'm going to cut out the words "Love You More Than" from crumb cake cardstock and "chocolate" from early espresso cardstock. Both of these are going to be quite intricate and detailed, so to make them easier to attach to my project, I'll use adhesive sheets before I die cut them. These double-sided adhesive sheets turn the die cut shapes into a sticker once I peel off the backing. The next step is stamping, using early espresso ink on crumb cake cardstock to create my chocolates. Now I'll do my die cutting, including a scalloped rectangle from Stitched Shapes and a large heart from Love and Happiness. I'm ready to assemble my card. is my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find my event calendar, project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my email newsletter. It's also the place where you can go to sign up for Creativity to Go and receive these products plus prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!